Hey guys, today I have another video. This is a comparison of 2016 LG OLED B6 55-inch on the left and 2019 LG OLED C9 on the right. You may be wondering why I am comparing these two, because I just upgraded from my B6 to C9. I thought this might be helpful for someone out there trying to make that decision. So without any further ado, let's get started on this comparison. So let's start the comparison with the exterior design. So the B6 on the left, it has a floating look to it because of how the stand is designed. We have a bottom metallic part and there is a clear plastic in between the screen and the bottom stand, which gives a floating look to the TV. Also the bezels on this one has a metallic or a silver accent to it. And on the right, for the C9, the front part of the stand is curved towards outside to guide the sound from the bottom blasting speakers, so that the sound travel towards outside and not to the bottom of the television stand. So the bezels on the C9 are black, so the C9 looks more complete with everything in black accent, and just the stand in the metallic accent. So next up, I'm going to compare the remotes for these two versions of the TV. So this is the 2016 LG OLED TV remote, and this is the 2019 remote. There is no major design changes here. Everything looks exactly the same. On the 2019, we have some dedicated buttons to the app, like the Netflix, the Amazon Prime, and the movies and whatnot. Also, because the 2019 version has the voice control, where you can launch Alexa or Google Assistant. It has a mic button here, and a couple of buttons that are removed from the 2016 is the focus and the 3D, which are anyways not much of in use. Next up, let's cover the user interface difference between the B6 and the C9. So as soon as I launch my home screen on the B6, there is a big advertisement on the left side of the screen, but here it appears at the bottom corner of the screen. And also you can see the app badges are really tall on the B6, whereas here the size of the app badges are shortened a little bit. And a nice feature about the C9 is if I go to any of the app, just say YouTube, it brings some of the videos that are trending and stuff like that, where you can directly launch a video instead of going to YouTube and then searching for it and then launching it. That's the same case with Netflix and Amazon Prime and any other apps that you have. But here on the B6, you don't have that option, so you have to launch the app and then you have to go to a certain video, and then you can start viewing it. On the C9, this is really a big improvement from the user interface perspective. Rearranging the apps on the B9 is like you click an app and hold it and you can move around. And on the C9, it's similar fashion. You can click it and it brings up the intelligent edit, where when you say edit, it is going to if you apply the intelligent edit, it is going to order your apps based on your usage. So if I've used YouTube mostly, YouTube is going to be appearing in the first, and then the rest of the apps after that. Also there is a little bit of tweak on the settings. So on the basics, the settings appears on the right side of the screen, and on the C9 the settings appear at the left side of the screen. And also if I go into all settings, the appearance of the settings menu is also a little bit changed. So next up, we can compare the sound from both this TV. I have the volume set to 10 on both the televisions, and I'm gonna play a short video here, and let's see how it sounds on both these televisions one at a time. I'm not sure if you guys are able to pick up any major difference between the sound, but I don't see any difference in sound between these two TVs. So for the picture clarity and comparison, I'm going to play a video simultaneously on both the televisions, and I'm going to keep changing the presets that are available in both the televisions to see if there are any major differences that you can observe. So right now both of these TVs are in cinema mode, and I'm going to change it to sports. There is definitely colors popping up on both the televisions. I don't see any major difference side by side. So this is the game mode. Here we have the HDR effect. So here is the preset for the bright room. And here is the preset for the dark room. Wow. So this is the vivid preset. And next we have the standard. So that's pretty much on the basic comparison between these two TV, like the exterior design, the sound quality, and the picture quality. So that's it for today, folks. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you really like this video, give me a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.